I'm trying to see if I can salvage a window AC unit and was wondering if I could recharge it with our 134A instead of going out and getting our 410A.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
It's a Friedrich EQ08M11B.
What have you tried so far with your Friedrich air conditioner?
Cleaning the air filter, cleaning off the radiator front thing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It just stopped blowing cold air.
The unfortunate answer is no. The R410A operates at twice the pressure and would need a new compressor and metering device, as well as new oil. If you convert to another refrigerant, the unit will simply not function or will burn out. Billy.
It's dead. I have a 4 CFM vacuum pump and halogen leak detector.
Regardless the pump and detectors. You would still need a compressor and proper metering device, which would cost more than a new unit. And no promise if the coils could hold up to 500 pounds per square inch pressure.
Dang it. Okay, well, guess my efforts to save my work some money are a bust. Lol.
I apologize, but the R410A is totally different animal. Higher pressure, different oil. It just will not work.
Alright, well, I appreciate the help. Thank you for your time.
You are welcome. You can close this question by rating service with a 5-star system at top of page.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.